Strapping on my boots in the 4 a.m. cold. Another day of stories that'll never be told. The Kevlar is heavy and the helmet is tight, but it's not what's keeping me alive tonight. I reach for my pocket, I touch the frayed edge of the picture you gave me on the old river ledge. The world out there is a desert of stone, but inside this jacket I'm never alone. The shrapnel can fly and the thunder can roll, but they can't touch the kingdom inside of my soul. I've got a secret that the enemy can't see. It's the way that you looked when you whispered to me. I'm wearing your memory like armor. I'm wrapping your ghost around my heart. It's stronger than steel when the world starts to reel and the shadows are tearing apart. Every word that you said is a shield for my head in a valley where the sun doesn't shine. I'm wearing your memory like armor, and I'm coming home to make you mine. The dust starts to kick and the sirens start screaming, but I'm miles away, I'm lost in my dreaming. I can smell your perfume through the cordite and smoke. I can hear your soft laugh in the words that I spoke. When the radio's dead and the nights are so long, your name is the rhythm that keeps me moving on. I'm wearing your memory like armor. I'm wrapping your ghost around my heart. It's stronger than steel when the world starts to reel and the shadows are tearing apart. Every word that you said is a shield for my head in a valley where the sun doesn't shine. I'm wearing your memory like armor, and I'm coming home to make you mine. They can take my sleep, they can take my time, but they can't take the mountain I'm determined to climb. I'm bulletproof as long as I can see your face in the middle of this guy.